Every single day, I'm gonna make something great. That's my way.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I have come back to you very important part of life that I'm going to present before you. It's such a thing that it is difficult to live without, and it is very important to have the right size. If you do not wear it correctly, then you mess with your figure. To measure the correct size of your breast, first take an inchy tape. First of all, measure band size, which is just below the breast, and write it down. After that, the fullest part of breast is to be measured. Then minus the breast size with the band size. This way you can easily find out the size of your exact bra. So let us come to our point of view. I bought the online lingerie for the third time, so I will do unboxing with you. This box looks something like this, so let's open it and see what has come. So the first bra is single layered super supports pink bra from the brand Zivame. This half part of this bra, I feel that it does not hurt at all. It is very comfortable. This bra is non-padded, wire-free, 3/4 coverage, and its fabric is nylon spandex mix. Its two colors are available, pink and black, and its price is 995 rupees. The only problem is that when you wear t-shirt and kurta, then your bra center line is visible. So this bra is best for daily use. If your bust are saggy, then this is not for you because it does not lift your bust. It has a lace from the center to shoulder. It is very comfortable, doesn't mess at all. It is just like a normal bra. Currently both of its color have been out of stock. It's not available on the website, so I will not be able to provide its link. So the next bra is cotton non-wired non-padded skin color bra from the Zivame, and its price is 549 rupees. Again, this is non-padded, non-wire free, 3/4 coverage, and its fabric is cotton. Its 6 colors are available on the zivame.com, and this is also best for daily use, which is very stretchable fabric. This skin color bra featured molded double layered cups that control nipple shows, and the quality is amazing. This is my second purchase from Zivame, so I just love this bra. You must definitely try once. This bra is best for daily use. I want to say that same thing again. If your bust are saggy, then this is not for you because it does not lift your bust. This bra will not be available on the website right now as it is out of stock. Like it, many more bra is available, so I will not be able to provide its link. So the next pack of 3 multicolor solid panties from the brand Roseline, and its price is 399 rupees. This is a combo pack in which there are 3 colors, are red, pink and turquoise. This underwear is extremely comfortable and its material is very soft. In the comparison of panties there are available in the market, its fabric is bit thicker and more better. I love it very much and I will buy it again. So that's it for today. Very soon I will come back with a new interesting video. Till then, bye bye. If you liked my review, then subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon next to it. And yes, do not forget to comment in the comment box.